In this video, I will show you how to create a new Google Sheet file. The first way is to open Google Drive. On the upper left corner, click the New button, then click on Google Sheets. A new tab will open with a new file. The second way is on another Google application like Gmail. Click on the App Launcher. This is the 9 squares on the upper right corner. Look for and click the Google Sheets icon. The Google Sheets app will open in a new tab. From here, you can create a new file from the available templates or a blank spreadsheet file. The third way is to open a new web browser tab and go to sheets.google.com. This will open the Google Sheets app where you can create a new file. Another way to create a new file is from an open Google Sheet file. At the top, click File, hover over New, and click Spreadsheet. A new tab will open with the new file. If you have any questions about this video, please leave a comment below.